Xpeng Motors, widely recognized for its electric vehicles, recently hosted its 2024 AI Day event in Guangzhou, China. The event, now an anticipated annual technology showcase, unveiled groundbreaking innovations powered by artificial intelligence. From humanoid robots to next-generation AI chips and even flying cars, Xpeng demonstrated its commitment to redefining the future of mobility and robotics. Here's a deep dive into the highlights of this remarkable event. Meet Iron, Xpeng's humanoid robot. At the heart of the event was the debut of Iron, a humanoid robot designed to integrate seamlessly into industrial and commercial applications. Standing at 178 centimeters, 5'8", and weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, Iron mirrors the physical dimensions of an average adult human, making it well-suited for tasks traditionally performed by people. Unlike other conceptual robots, Iron is fully functional and already deployed on Xpeng's production lines. Specifically, it plays a pivotal role in assembling the company's P7 Plus electric vehicle, showcasing its ability to handle precise, repetitive, and complex tasks efficiently. What sets Iron apart is its advanced artificial intelligence powered by Xpeng's proprietary Turing AI chip. This custom-built processor enables the robot to learn and adapt, ensuring flexibility in decision-making and task execution. Iron's mechanical design is equally impressive, with 60 joints offering a 200-degree range of motion. Its dexterous hands have 15 degrees of freedom, allowing it to handle delicate components with human-like precision. Xpeng envisions Iron not only as an industrial tool, but also as a potential addition to retail spaces, offices, and even homes. Imagine a future where robots like Iron assist with customer service, inventory management, or even domestic chores, a reality Xpeng is actively working toward. Turing AI chip, the powerhouse behind Iron. The Turing AI chip, unveiled as the technological backbone of Iron, represents a significant leap in AI processing. Featuring 40 cores and the ability to handle AI models with up to 30 billion parameters, the chip allows for unparalleled reasoning and adaptability. This level of computational power is critical for enabling complex tasks such as object recognition, motion planning, and real-time decision-making. The chip's architecture is optimized for applications beyond robotics, including autonomous vehicles and aerial mobility systems, making it a cornerstone of Xpeng's future innovations. In addition to powering robots like Iron, the Turing AI chip is integral to Xpeng's autonomous driving systems. With a processing capacity of 3,000 trillion operations per second, it enables advanced neural networks to function with remarkable efficiency. This allows for real-time data processing, ensuring that robots and vehicles can operate safely and effectively in dynamic environments. The chip's versatility underscores Xpeng's strategy of creating scalable, AI-driven solutions that can be applied across industries, from manufacturing to transportation. With global demand for AI technology expected to grow exponentially, Xpeng's investment in proprietary chips positions it as a frontrunner in this competitive space. A rivalry with Tesla's Optimus. Iron has drawn inevitable comparisons to Tesla's Optimus robot, which similarly leverages autonomous driving technologies for humanoid robotics. While both companies aim to create versatile human-like robots, Xpeng has faced allegations of design infringement. Brett Adcock, CEO of Figure AI, accused Xpeng of copying the spine and hip structure of his company's robot. This highlights the broader challenges in the robotics industry, where rapid innovation often leads to overlapping design philosophies and contentious rivalries. The competition between Tesla and Xpeng extends far beyond robotics. Both companies are pioneers in the EV market, and their foray into AI and robotics reflects a shared vision of leveraging advanced technology to revolutionize everyday life. While Tesla's Optimus focuses on integrating robotics with its autonomous vehicle systems, Xpeng aims to expand Iron's applications into commercial and residential settings. This competitive dynamic mirrors the broader technological race between Chinese and Western companies, where Xpeng and others are increasingly challenging the dominance of Silicon Valley with innovative and scalable solutions. Advancing EV technology, the Kunpeng powertrain system. Xpeng also revealed the Kunpeng Super Electric System, a next-generation powertrain designed to optimize energy efficiency and extend EV range. Built on high-voltage silicon carbide technology, this system minimizes energy loss during power conversion, allowing Xpeng's vehicles to achieve an impressive combined range of up to 1,400 kilometers, around 170 miles, on a single charge. This breakthrough addresses one of the most significant barriers to EV adoption: range anxiety. In addition to extending range, the Kunpeng system supports ultra-fast charging, with the ability to recharge an EV from 10% to 80% in just 12 minutes using 5C charging technology. This capability could redefine the convenience of EVs, making them more practical for long-distance travelers. Fast charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding globally, and innovations like Xpeng ensure that Xpeng's vehicles remain at the forefront of this shift. With global EV adoption expected to surpass 50% by 2030, Xpeng's focus on efficiency and practicality is well-timed to capture a growing market. Revolutionizing autonomous driving. Xpeng's advancements in autonomous driving technology were another major highlight of AI Day. The company's Kang AI platform, powered by the Turing AI chip, represents a significant step toward Level 4 autonomy, where vehicles can operate without human intervention in most scenarios. Unlike traditional driver assistance systems, Kang AI leverages neural networks and real-time data processing to navigate complex environments safely and efficiently. A standout feature of Xpeng's autonomous vehicles is the Hawkeye Pure Vision system, which provides a 720-degree view around the vehicle. This eliminates blind spots and enhances safety, making autonomous driving a viable option for urban and highway conditions. The system is backed by cutting-edge LiDAR and camera technologies, ensuring precise object detection and obstacle avoidance. With regulators in key markets like China and Europe gradually approving autonomous vehicles, Xpeng's advanced systems position it as a leader in this transformative sector. The future of urban mobility, flying cars. Through its subsidiary, Aero-T, Xpeng unveiled its ambitious plans for flying cars, marking a bold leap into aerial mobility. The company showcased several prototypes, including an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle and a tilt-rotor flying car capable of carrying 6 passengers. These vehicles promise impressive performance with a range of 500 kilometers, 311 miles, and a top speed of 360 kilometers per hour, 224 miles per hour. Xpeng plans to launch a hybrid flying car by 2026, priced at 2 million yuan, approximately $279,000. While this price may seem steep, it is remarkably competitive for a vehicle that combines cutting-edge aviation and automotive technologies. Public demonstrations are scheduled for later this month, with pre-orders opening in December 2024. By integrating flying cars into urban transportation systems, Xpeng aims to address challenges like traffic congestion and limited infrastructure, positioning itself as a pioneer in sustainable and futuristic mobility solutions. Global expansion and market presence. Xpeng's technological advancements are complemented by an aggressive global expansion strategy. The company is currently present in 30 countries, supported by 145 after-sales service centers, and plans to expand to 60 countries by 2025. This growth is driven by strong demand for Xpeng's EVs, particularly in markets like Europe, where the transition to electric mobility is accelerating. In addition to expanding its geographic footprint, Xpeng is investing in localized manufacturing and R&D facilities to enhance its competitiveness. For example, the company recently announced plans to establish a European design center focused on adapting its vehicles to regional preferences. With global EV sales projected to exceed 14 million units in 2024, Xpeng's strategic investments position it to capture a significant share of this growing market. Xpeng's production milestones. As of 2024, Xpeng has delivered over 122,000 vehicles, marking a 21% year-over-year increase. The company sold nearly 24,000 units in October alone, reflecting robust consumer demand driven by its innovative features and competitive pricing. This growth aligns with broader industry trends as consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability and advanced technology when choosing vehicles. Xpeng's focus on AI-driven innovations such as autonomous driving and energy-efficient powertrains is expected to further boost its market share. With plans to introduce new models and expand production capacity, the company is well-positioned to capitalize on the global shift toward electrification. China's role in the AI revolution. Xpeng's achievements reflect China's broader leadership in AI and robotics. Backed by substantial government investments and a well-established manufacturing infrastructure, Chinese companies are at the forefront of technological innovation. In the EV market, China has emerged as the world's largest producer and consumer, accounting for more than 50% of global sales. Xpeng's rapid growth exemplifies this trend as the company leverages its domestic expertise to compete on a global scale. Historically, Chinese firms have often been criticized for mimicking Western designs, but many, including Xpeng, have transitioned to leadership roles through innovation and scalability. By combining advanced AI capabilities with efficient manufacturing, Xpeng is not only challenging Western competitors but also redefining what's possible in technology and mobility, setting the stage for a new era in technology. The 2024 AI Day showcased Xpeng's ability to integrate cutting-edge technology into practical applications. From the humanoid robot Iron and the high-performance Turing AI chip to autonomous vehicles and flying cars, the company is not just keeping up with industry trends, it's actively shaping them. XPeng's advancements signal a new era where AI, robotics, and sustainable mobility converge to create transformative solutions. By investing in diverse technologies and expanding its global footprint, XPeng is setting the stage for a future where machines seamlessly integrate into our lives, making them more efficient, sustainable, and connected. That wraps up our deep dive into XPeng's groundbreaking innovations showcased at their AI Day. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on the latest in tech and AI, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.